Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. So daily time frame is isang green candle. Above average pa rin yung volume. So meaning meron pa rin tayong buying pressure. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Kung makikita natin sa 4 hours, nagkaroon tayo ng another higher low, so tumatalon. But what happened is meron na tayong first sign ng weakness, which is lower high. But if magkakaroon ng breakout si BTC sa trendline resistance natin, is possible susubok ulit magbasag ng 38K and another higher high. So what we expect is pullback pa rin sa trendline support natin. If i-respect nyo yung support area, magkakaroon tayo ng continuation dito ng uptrend, but still nasa buyer's momentum pa rin tayo. Low, higher low, higher low, and if magkakaroon ng respect, another higher low. Good news is if magkakaroon tayo ng basag sa 38K, which is another higher high. So what we expect currently, nasa loob tayo ng symmetrical triangle, breakout ng trend line or breakout ng support trend line natin.